Hey guys, it's Fiorello with Joovy. So I'm here to talk about the glue today. So this is actually the regular size and it comes in 6 different colors. This is one of my favorites, so let's open it up. So it comes with 2 pieces. This is the mattress and I'm going to walk you through that first. It's super easy. Right here at the top, you're just going to open up this valve as such, and it'll self-inflate. So we're gonna set this aside while we wait for it to inflate, and we'll get to the fun part. So this is a really easy open, anyone can do it. And this right here is the glue. So most people have been asking us about different features, so I just wanted to show you. We've got these side little mesh panels here, also in the front. And the best part is that you can take this anywhere with you. So the mattress actually does not go inside of the glue, it goes underneath. So that way, that's what makes it safe for newborns. Your newborn will never be in contact with the mattress. You're just gonna pick it up and put it right into the fold here. Zip it back up and you're good to go.